So this is how you can use your printables. I printed my printable already and I'm just gonna be using it on my devotional. So if we cut it, you can cut it in any way you want. I'm just gonna be doing fuzzy cutting. I don't know if you call it fuzzy cutting. Actually, I'm copying it from some famous people. I don't even know what that is. So for example, this one here. So I cut my printable and gonna be pasting it here. I already did the page and all I'm gonna do is dust it off because this has been sitting on my table for like ever. So with my non-crafty fingers and let me just peel it off without using it. There. I'm gonna peel it off like that. So this is where I wanted it to be. Why? Because I'm gonna be explaining later. So there, so that's how you do printables. So it's now sitting pretty on my page. Yay! So I think I have some other printables which I've been doing all that. So anyway, there. You can do a lot of things using printables, and I'll just finish this page.